Guys, welcome back to another video. Refile Dlamini. So today I'm helping all the Forex beginners. So if you're not a Forex beginner, I don't know if this might help you, so just watch to the end. But if you are a Forex beginner or you not someone who has no profitability yet in the market, I am here to like shorten your learning curve and to teach you what important things to focus on. So let's just go into it. Forex beginners. Avoid all the things that I will discuss at all costs. You'll see what those are. They're only going to delay your progress to being a consistently profitable trader. I am here to shorten your learning curve. So this video is all about shortening the learning curve of all Forex beginners. Stop telling people that you trade. Guys, this is so important. Don't even insinuate to people that you trade. You understand? I know some of you guys could be sitting next to your friend, your crush, or whatever, with your phones there. Like you're not telling them, but you'd be like, wow, I hope the market goes up, trying to make them curious. Just don't tell people that you trade. Some people think it's a get rich quick scheme and will want proof, which is money. And since you haven't made any money from trading, what are you going to show them? You know? Number two, unless the person knows what trading is, they will try to discourage you. Trust me, people are still skeptical about this whole trading thing. The fact that a person can just print money from clicking buy and sell sounds really, really shady to them, you know. But since you know the power of trading is so scary, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. So if someone hears that, it sounds too good to be true, right? And it's gonna be skeptical. So of course they're gonna discourage you because they think that you're gonna get scammed, whatever. Stop telling people. The pressure from other people will prevent you from playing the long game, which is the only game that works. So some of you guys will end up over risking to prove all those people who are telling you that trading doesn't work wrong. You understand? And the only way you can prove to people that trading works is making money consistently. Because if you make 15,000 today and then the next day you're just losing money, it's gonna be like you are a lucky person. Understand? It was to them, it's gonna be like, now you just got lucky, you were gambling and whatever. And truth is, you were trying out a strategy. So you need to make money consistently. Understand? And over risking and not following your plan is basically you not playing the long-term game. And trading is a long-term game. The long-term game is the only game that's gonna work in this game. Haha. Okay, you just need to understand and accept that nobody will take you seriously unless they see money. No one will take you seriously unless they see money. No one is going to believe that you trade unless they see money. No one is going to accept the fact that you want to be a trader unless they see money. So just stop telling people that you trade. Just trade and push up until you become consistently profitable. And even then, don't go around telling people unless you're going to open a mentorship, whatever, or something. Okay. Number two, stop giving everyone your attention. Do not watch everybody's YouTube channel. Guys, I heard the saying, everything you need on Forex, about Forex is on YouTube. Yes, that's true, but YouTube is so scattered. Some people are giving misinformation. Some people are contradicting each other. There are so many different strategies used, and some of these strategies are not even explained fully on YouTube. So watching everybody's YouTube channel doesn't really give you the time to like grasp one strategy. Yabo. Just grasp one strategy on YouTube because YouTube has so much information scattered there. Understand? So don't watch everybody's YouTube channel. Number two, do not buy everybody's course or trading books. Guys, I've read a lot of trading books, ne? And I'm here to tell you something. Ne? Information on these trading books are the same. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you. All you just need is to buy one book that's gonna introduce you to trading and explain everything properly. And maybe a psychology book like Trading in the Zone or The Mental Edge in the Market. You see, those type of books. I understand. But don't buy everyone's course. Don't buy everyone's books. Some people make money from selling courses that give you strategies that don't even work. Understand? And that's how they make their money. And they act like it's the strategy that they're giving you that's making you money. And by the way, why would you wanna like be all around? Why don't you just wanna learn one thing that works? Understand? Number three, do not use every trading strategy. Guys, every trading strategy works, but you just need one to be profitable in the market. Every proven strategy works. You just need one. You don't need to learn everything about the market. You're still going to lose at the end of the day. So there's nothing you're avoiding by learning many strategies. Just learn one strategy. Because what you end up doing is that you're going to have analysis paralysis when one strategy tells you buy and the other one tells you sell and this and that and this and that. So just learn one strategy, stick to it up until you're consistent with the strategy. And that's the strategy that you're going to trade for the rest of your life, or maybe not even the rest of your life. But once you have that strategy, once you're profitable, maybe you can start learning a new strategy, or maybe mixing that strategy with something else to suit your personality. But don't strategy hop. Understand what I mean? Let's move on. Stop following Instagram traders. And I'm not talking about all the traders on Instagram, but I think you guys know which ones I'm talking about. The ones that are just showing you their Lamborghinis, their Porsches, their profits, their watches, their suits, and everything. Those are the type of people you should avoid because, first of all, they make you feel like you're not accomplishing anything. And second of all, they just there to scam you. Done. Stop joining all these Telegram groups and trading signals. For once, was very guilty for this. But I used to join a lot of Telegram groups. I used to join a lot of trading signals, thinking that I'm going to learn each and everything from everyone. Guys, don't do that. It's honestly a waste of time. You just need like one community, because things are so scattered, guys. You shouldn't be scattered in Forex. You should just focus on one thing that you're gonna use, and that's you. Don't focus on any other thing. Yabo. And if you have a trustworthy trading mentor, take his trading advice only. If he's profitable, what he's teaching you is all you need to know to be profitable. That's like, guys, if you have a reliable trading mentor, why are you going to all these other YouTube people and learning their concepts? If your trading mentor is telling you that this is all you need to be profitable, this is how I make my own money, do that up until you actually become consistent with that strategy, and then try to tweak it to your personality. That's all you need to do. So if you're a beginner, these are the things you need to like worry about. Like if you have a mentor, just take his or her advice. That is it. And number three, be patient. Trading is 10% buying, 10% selling, and 10% waiting. 80% waiting. What am I saying? Okay, unfortunately, you're gonna have to wait for consistent profitability. And I'm not saying wait there and not do anything and it's gonna come. I mean like faithfully wait. Practice every day, keep pushing, back test, demo trade, up until you become quick. But like while demo trading, practicing and everything, wait for your consistent profitability. I'm not saying sit on the couch and just wait. Understand? Work while waiting. Practice while waiting. Trading consistent profitability will come. Have faith in yourself and you making money in the market. Then you're also gonna have to wait for setups. That's one thing that I used to struggle with too, waiting for setups. I used to wait so long, not even long. I was just very impatient. Understand? To me, it felt like setups were very long, and I used to get into the market too early. Understand? And then it would take me out of stop loss, go where I would have entered if I waited, and then go in my direction. And my account is already blown. So just wait for setups. You'll also have to wait for the market to hit TP. You know, don't close profits where you didn't plan to close profits. Close profits where you plan to close profits, which for most people is the TP, guys. When you enter a trade, the market can go either two ways, your stop loss or your TP. Do not try to make something not, no. Your market is gonna go either to your TP or your stop loss. So just wait up until one of those things happen. Understand what I mean? Yeah. And then accept and just submit to the passage of time. Time is gonna pass. There's nothing you can do about it. Understand? You just need to understand that this thing is gonna take time. You just need to understand that you're not gonna make it in 1 month, 2 months, 2 weeks, one day. You need to understand that this thing called trading takes time. It takes time. You need to be patient. You need to be patient. Yabo. And then here's a quote by O.G. Mandino, the author of The Greatest Salesman in the World. So time teaches all things to him who lives forever, but I have not the luxury of eternity. Yet in our allotted time, we have to practice the art of patience because nature never acts in haste. So your consistent profitability won't come when you want to, you know. So you need to patiently wait for it because nature never acts in haste. And then backtest and demo trade before live trading. Basically practice. You need to prove to yourself that your strategy works. Because when you start trading, you're gonna have losing streaks and whatever. And if you don't expect it, trust me, it's gonna hurt your psychology. It's gonna hurt you psychologically. Understand? You need to know what your strategy is all about. You need to understand which this strategy does have losing streaks. Like all strategies do, this strategy does have losing streaks. This strategy also does have winning streaks. So when I'm going through a losing streak, understand that it's like part of my edge. It's part of what I'm trading. I will lose in the market, no doubt. Understand? So yeah, number two is trading is a pattern recognition game. So you need to train your eyes to recognize the patterns you're looking for, even in their most imperfect form. Understand? So the market won't always be clean. The market will sometimes show you the pattern you're looking for very imperfectly. And if you don't train your eyes to spot that pattern, then you're gonna miss the setup. So you need to see that pattern enough times for you to be able to like just take it whenever you take it. You need to understand how that pattern works. You need to understand how those or that pattern works. You need to understand where to enter with that pattern. You need to even find things out for yourself about that pattern that you've never heard your mentor say, that you've never heard people say. And that is only done through back testing. Understand? That is only done through back testing. Number three is back tested or demo trading data shows you that you don't need to win every time to be profitable. Understand? It shows you if your strategy really has an edge, over time your backtesting data will be in profit. Understand? And if it's not, that means your strategy doesn't work. So it allows you to see if your strategy works or not. And if it's not in profits, then but it shows you that you don't need to win every single time. It shows you that even though you take losses some of the times, you will still be profitable in the end. It gives you more information about the strategy itself, like win rate, risk to reward, and the best time to execute. If you don't know these stuff about your strategy, how are you going to trade? Understand my point? So yeah, let's move on. Do not give up on trading. For all you trading beginners, even for people who are struggling right now, do not give up on trading. You have entered the trading game with an ending in mind. Do not exit without it. I said do not exist. Damn. But do not exit without that ending that you came with in trading. Because it'll basically mean that you've wasted your time. It'll basically mean that you entered a field where you wanted something and you do not get it and you're fine with that. Understand? It basically means that your time doing this is useless because you're not getting what you wanted at the end of the day. And it's all because you stopped. It's all because of you. How will you be able to live with the rest of your life knowing that you gave up on something so beautiful? When you see other people succeeding at what you wanted, how will you feel about that? Understand my point? So you don't want to give up on trading. You actually want to thug it out. I don't want to give up on trading. I also want to thug it out. Because if I give up, then my time here was useless. Understand? Giving up on trading means that you have given up on your freedom. So after giving up on trading, you've given up on your freedom, you've given up on financial abundance, you've given up on all the future time you could have had because you probably be working a 9 to 5 if you want to survive. Hey, that rhymes. And a generational wealth creating skill. So you can't, you've literally given up on the people, your children who you're gonna teach this skill. You've literally given up on them. Understand? You've literally given up on so many people now because because it was hard. I don't know why you give up, but you've literally given up on so many people now that you could help create generational wealth. Understand? You literally give up on being that person who changes the state of poverty in your family. Understand? So you genuinely don't want to give up in this field. So ask yourself, do I not deserve all the things mentioned above? Like freedom, financial abundance, future time, generational wealth. Do you not deserve it? And if you believe that you don't, quit trading, like right now. But if you believe that you do, thug it out, don't give up, we'll make it to the other side. Because there are people who are profitable in trading, and we can also be profitable in trading. So we're going up from here. Like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think about this because I really worked hard on it. Peace.